listen to the best sound a canner wants to hear. Listen. Hey, 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 look what I'm doing today. More canning. Guess what I'm canning today? Yes, peaches. Baking my jars. Actually keeping it warm. I'm gonna put it in 170 degrees. Keeping warm in there. My water is boiling. And this is cold water. So, putting peaches into the boiling water. They said actually that's easier to remove the skin if you blanch it and then put it in cold water. It says you just peel it with your hand. Alright, time to put them in cold water. Cold water. You can see the skin actually is coming off. Yeah. Just grab them and look. Skin's off. Wow, look at that. Now, slice it. It's very slippery though. And look at that. That's the pit or the seeds. And then you put it straight in a jar. Or actually with mine, I'm gonna put it right here because my jars are inside the oven. It's hard to access it right now. So that's what you do. Like you can see, I told you my peaches are not perfect. So I have to remove those because I'm pretty sure there's worm in them. So like you can see, it's pretty clear, nothing in there. So here are my cut up peaches. Now I'm gonna put it in a jar. I did not have much. It's better than last year because last year I did not harvest anything. So yeah, that's my peaches for 2021. Here are my hot jars. I'm just gonna turn it over and then I'll put the peaches on them. just gonna use 6 of them because like I said, I don't have much. This one actually is not that much time consuming like making pickles, because this one you don't have to cut a lot. I mean, you don't have to chop anything. It smells so sweet. I think I'm gonna have more than 6. Still have a lot. So 2 cups of sugar and 4 cups of water. That is for light syrup. Four cups. And let it boil. My sugar and water for my syrup is done. It's been boiling, so time to add it into my jar. I'm just making sure there's no air bubbles, meaning I need to add more syrup in them. Time to put my jars in. Always make sure the top of your jars are under water. Right now, I think I have inch and a half. Oh, it's hot. Now it's gonna be about 2 inches on top. There we go. You just have to wait for it to boil and time it for 20 minutes. Here are my canned peaches. I just got it out of the hot water bath. All I have to do is wait for the ping.